Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing how to empty an one-to-many field in Odoo 16. For this, I've added a button called delete record. So on clicking this button, all the records in the one-to-many gets removed. So let's see how it can be done. So in the XML, I've added a button name equals to delete record. So on clicking this button, this function gets executed. That is self.visa approval IDs is equals to list of tuple of 500. So visa approval IDs is the one-to-many field. So we can either remove using list of tuple of 500 or by using unlink. So let's see how it's done. Let me refresh the page and go back to UI and refresh. So on clicking delete record, as you can see, all the records have been removed. So now let's check the case of unlink. For that, I'll be adding a visa type student and the profession as student. And save this and go back to PyCharm and add self.visa approval IDs dot unlink and refresh the page and refresh the UI. And let me click on the delete record. As you can see, all the records have been removed. So this is how we can empty an one-to-many field in Odoo 16. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.